Telling time. Let's practice asking and answering about time.
Hey, Anna, what time is it now?
It's 8:15 a.m. Why? Are you late?
Maybe. I start work at 8:30.
You still have time, 15 minutes.
Yes, but I walk slowly in the morning.
So what time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. And you?
I wake up at 6:45. I like early mornings.
Nice. What time do you have breakfast?
At 7:30. You?
Around 8, just before work.
And what time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
That's good. I finish at 4:30 p.m., so I get home early.
Do you go to bed early too?
Yes, usually at 10 p.m.
I go to bed around midnight.
Wow, you're a night person.
And you're a morning person.
Exactly. Oh, look, it's 8:20 now.
10 minutes left. I should go.
What time will you get to the office?
At 8:29 if I walk fast.
Good luck, John.
Thanks. See you later.